Have you ever wondered why our society and education system teach us that getting good marks and a secure job is the key to a successful life? We're told that if we follow this path, our lives will be set. But let me tell you something, that's not the way to become rich or achieve financial freedom. Today, I want to share with you a story that will give you valuable life lessons and show you how to truly become a millionaire. Once upon a time, in a small town, there were two best friends named Pablo and Bruno. They shared the same dream of becoming the richest individuals in their town. One day, an opportunity presented itself to them. In their town, there was a massive water tank in the town square that needed to be filled with water from the river. The townspeople relied on this water supply, and two people were needed to transport buckets of water and fill the tank. The town leader offered to pay 1 penny for each bucket of water filled by Pablo and Bruno. Bruno was overjoyed at the prospect of this job, believing it would quickly make him rich. However, Pablo had a different perspective. Every day, Pablo and Bruno tirelessly made countless trips between the river and the town, hauling buckets of water. Pablo began to experience physical pain, developing ulcers on his hands and feeling exhausted every night. He couldn't help but think that there must be a better way to fill the water tank. One day, Pablo shared his idea with Bruno. He proposed building a pipeline from the river to the town's water tank. Bruno was skeptical, having never heard of such a thing. He argued that they already had a good job, filling hundreds of buckets each day for a corresponding income. Bruno believed their lives were already set, and there was no need for a pipeline. However, Pablo couldn't let go of the pipeline idea. He believed it would revolutionize their work and free them from the grueling labor. Determined, Pablo continued to fill water buckets while using whatever time he had left to work on building the pipeline. Pablo encountered many challenges along the way. The path from the river to the town was difficult, filled with rocks and obstacles. With simple tools and relentless determination, Pablo dug the ground, slowly constructing the pipeline. Despite the fact that building the pipeline meant earning less income and having less time each day, Pablo's belief in his dream kept him going. As time went on, people started referring to Pablo as the Pipeline Man. Some laughed and made fun of him, but Pablo remained focused on his work. Meanwhile, Bruno enjoyed his life, earning more money, buying new possessions, and even a donkey. Bruno threw parties, indulged in luxuries, and drank beer, seemingly living a life of happiness and abundance. However, Pablo continued to work tirelessly, digging in the dark, even on weekends. Whenever he felt tired, he motivated himself, repeating phrases like, "one step at a time," and "eyes on the prize." Months passed, and Pablo had completed half of the pipeline. He no longer needed to fetch water manually, the pipeline could deliver it straight to the tank. People gathered around the tank as Pablo turned on the tap, and to their amazement, water flowed through the pipeline. They danced with joy, realizing that Pablo's pipeline was a success. Pablo no longer had to toil with buckets, and he earned money for each bucket of water as before. But this time, he earned money effortlessly, even while he slept. Pablo's income knew no limits, and people marveled at his accomplishment, calling him the miracle maker. Despite his success, Pablo remained humble. He didn't forget about his friend Bruno. If only Bruno had helped him build the pipeline, they could have finished it sooner and both become millionaires. But Bruno refused the opportunity and continued his life as the bucket man. Bruno's health declined, and he had no money or happiness left. After 2 years of hard work, Pablo's pipeline was complete. He had achieved his dream of financial freedom. The people in the town admired his perseverance and dedication. Pablo had transformed his life through hard work and a belief in his dream. Now, my friend, I want to share with you a 50-year plan that can make you rich through the power of the compounding effect. I also have a shorter plan for becoming a millionaire in just 5 years. Many successful entrepreneurs and business people have followed these principles to create their own pipelines of wealth. By working hard, developing ideas, and building systems, you can earn money even while you sleep or enjoy holidays with your family. Remember, success requires determination and perseverance. Believe in your dreams, work diligently, and strive for financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and click the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment saying, "I am going to be rich." Thank you for watching, and keep striving towards your dreams.